Premtobre Kasee no so na chachef wo Lesseni Junior High School eno ye bronu bi wo Pandaimensin wo Northern Region na hunu ne senye ne kwanso no ade nti na wo se yetena nuase esua ade na achachefo nso so ebresa wo hia classroom ye wo se wo so tena ho sua ade bie wo nsemo ne Adom Kasee edi nkomoyi.
Headmaster wada Lesseni D school ano echiremu se wonum school mu hono ne mfie bebre nie no wonum afa ahochire bebre mu a classroom papa adesuafo betene mu asia de kura no wonum eni bi ne senti eduru sutobre na se eduru bra wo kira de na nsuo eto a ade se wo pon adesuafo no ema wonum ekofie ne senti wode adesrede ato aban adwumaku ahodo anhya ban ase ne manfo a wonsem obie nyina anim se ometai wonum wachi se de be ya obetumi aboa sika dodo ano edi esidan amadesuafo no atenemu esuade.
Looking at the distance between the community and then where they get GHS to attend, they did their best, that is getting a temporary structure for the first year. Now we have the second year moving to the third year in this very September. So we have made our mind that we alone, myself, my staff, and then the community cannot do it alone. So therefore, we decided to organize this Speech and Prize Giving Day so that we use it as a medium to appeal for funds.
District Education Director Pandai ya Osafo editor headmasters nyina enimu se anamompa headmaster yetu ya odeboabo esika no se de be ya obetumi esi classrooms ama adesuafo no wonom nhwe so na wontubi
Medina sa akwenye so na master asre non-governmental organizations, philanthropists na omaba beboa Lesseni primary school. If you say no awofo no adodo no a de omoma no e de aba na akaba bia mofra no junior high no ebesua de no na aye ade a atosin kakra.
PTA any SMC members and so the one on some etwaso.
We are vacating, and when we resume, we don't know where the other classes will sit. So we actually came together looking for fun and appealing to anybody